We're back, guys. Sometimes you guys will see us take an L and stuff, so we're negative here. Is it breaking the range?
Yeah.
It might come down. Or yeah, we got it. Fuck. We took an L, guys. All right, guys. Got into another sell here. We took a little quick L.
And some people might be like, oh, well, why would you get out of that trade if you're expecting this to go back down? You guys immediately hop back into another sell. Is because we have a percentage target that we're willing to lose based on our account size. So once it hits that target, regardless if we think, oh, well, maybe it's just going to go up and hit the other range and then come down, that's also a couple point different, a couple pips different. So why would we sit there and hold that when it already hit the percentage where we want to risk? So
looks like a nice zone. It could come down pretty hard.
If you look here on the 30, it's retesting this 30-day EMA. So if it breaks up here, that it will definitely be a bad sign for us. It's broken on the 15. It's a decent bit away on the other higher time frames. And it's definitely been above on the 5 and everything. Let's see what happens here.
We're still up around 250 today. 225-ish probably right now. Some people may be like, damn, you guys are willing to take some of these losses. It's just overall, we still end up being done for the or above for the day, like up a good bit. Like
exactly.
Our recap video we're just about to drop. We made like 1,000 yesterday. We probably lost like 800 and like 400 and made like 1,400.
Yeah.
So it's just.
And it happens. I mean, you need to set up. That's one thing that, joining our free course, joining some of our Discord community and things like that, following us on YouTube and social media, you guys can learn this stuff. You need to have percentage targets that you're willing to risk on a trade, and no matter what. Once it hits that point, it doesn't matter if you think you're right. It's only going to go up a little bit further or against you a little bit further, and then you'll be in profit. Set that percentage, stick to it. That way you have, let's just say, for example, Seven and I have about a 3-to-1 or a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio. So let's just say we're risking $100 per trade. We're going to try to make $300 to $400 per trade. That way losses then take 3 to 4 losses to eat up all of our profits. The problem is a lot of people hold on to sellers way too long, and one seller will eat up their entire profit for the day or for the week or for the month, or maybe even blow their account because they are just too afraid to admit that they're wrong.
Yeah.
But yeah, sorry. Peek down at these charts real quick. I'm like, hey, let's go. Let's get some music going again. Oh, blah. I'm just playing.
I think there's a way you can actually share your sound as well on your computer, Brad. You can share it while
off my phone.
Yeah. I mean, it can actually sound like they're hearing it.
I got you.
And you just turn the volume down on there. Yeah. It's something you could try. And then we can play Glory. It's actually one of our tracks, guys. We have a rap duo group called Wolves. We're dropping an album.
There we go.
I hope Gold can break down here. Can you possibly turn it down a little bit on YouTube? Video,
yeah.
Music.
Yeah, it's kind of holding here now. The top of where this other range was.
The only thing about this is that it playing in here, I'm a little bit worried that we could get a copyright infringement.
True. Yeah, let's just not even do it.
We could play like Wolves beats, just like instrumentals or just our track maybe. Why we sometimes will freestyle, guys. All right, I started recording. Just
yeah.
You guys are getting some sneak peeks to some of these instrumentals, but anyway, you guys can see we're still in this.
Yeah, going in the morning, I'm leaving, that's it. So long since I'm gone, but you're breaking me quick as you're holding me back, and I'm going to fix all the problems I've had from you getting me pissed. Cleansing my mind as I'm puffing the spliff, raising my eyes, I'm taking the hit. Waking the eyes, I bake till I'm high, and I pace in my mind till I break the matrix.
Why did it seem
Let's go to the depths.
It seemed like I was hearing you on the beat, and then when you were just rapping, it was off the beat. I don't know why. I'm sure you were rapping on beat to it, but I don't know why it was delayed for me. At first it wasn't. Yeah. At first you were actually perfectly on beat. Got this new graphics card. The shit looks HD as fuck right now. Both of us.
Fuck. Oh. Whoa. That's random. It just like changed for me. Yeah.
Your audio?
I'm smashing the tech in its action. I'm like an assassin. I'm smacking these balls as I'm rapping. My passion is defined by my mind. Watch it happen. Yeah, knowledge I am stacking. No need for a Mac to these bars I am stashing. I'm brighten the masses. I'm dashing. Not asking, exposing the fastest. My task is to smash it, the system or passion. I do not know what I'm saying. I am just sitting here praying. That gold drops to the depths. Yeah.
Now it's
that
on
I'm
beat.
cashing them checks. Yeah. Gold, please drop to the taps, then cashing the checks. Yeah. I don't know.
And I'm smashing against the
Maybe we should lock in here, bro. It's holding this range. Sorry.
Yeah, maybe like you're saying, this is the bottom of the range on the upside.
Lock it in.
Oh my God, I feel like it's gonna drop though, but we're not sure. Yeah, why not?
Just to be safe.
Yeah. Then we can decide. We can pause it real quick here. This will be so random. Now we're freestyling it. I don't know. Would Max be mad? I don't think so. I think this would make people find it more entertaining, like rapping about pips.
Yeah. Catching these pips, not hitting these licks while I'm fucking your bitch. No, I'm just kidding. Don't put that on there.
Every rapper has to say that in a song. I say that in like every song.
Yeah, it's like a requirement essentially.
Yeah, literally. I don't know why.
Catching these pips, not hitting these licks while I'm fucking your bitch, and I'm shooting this clip. Go down, gold. Hold down, no.
Fuck, it didn't really go out. But it was good to get out. Oh shit, we're recording. I was just stopping.
Yeah.
I'm in the recording. Hey guys, it kind of broke up here and broke above like a previous range that it was on the 15. Yeah, 15 here, and then we decided to hit a sell. So see how this is going.
We've made enough at this point with our risk reward ratio. Worst case scenario, we lose about $100. No big deal.
Okay.
So hit the top of this range here, hoping to see at least some pullback. Could also possibly see if it continues breaking up, hit the retest here before possibly even going up a little bit more around the like 71, 72-ish range. See what happens. Hopefully it rejects this and uses it as a support to the downside, but we will see. Time will tell. 2 more minutes for the 5 to close. Kind of like how these candles have formed so far, but we got 27 minutes until the 30 closes, so just have to wait and see.
See if that's a good little confirmation there.
Here, let me play. I'll play this in the back for now. A lot of these beats and stuff that we are playing are produced by Lil God 7 here, so excited to eventually show you guys some other stuff we got coming out. Definitely stay tuned.
Yeah, some of these will end up on our Joint Bulls album. So you guys join us on that journey on our social media. We talk about our trading and Forex as well, obviously on our social media.
Be right back. I'm still watching though, but I'll be right back.
All right, I'm gonna pause it. All right, I'll turn off my screen too. Come on. You have a clear path down right now.
Nice clean candles to the left-hand side here. Go to the depths. Are you recording this?
Yeah, I am. Yep. Yeah, I
guys
see.
stepped away.
Okay.
Yeah, guys stepped away for a minute, went to go get a refill of my coffee real quick. But this is just to show you guys an example of how mobile, like trading the foreign exchange markets actually is. I'm still up in my kitchen right now, watching this right here on my cell phone, still on the live stream here with you guys, showing you guys this trades in real time, but also watching it on my phone while I stepped away. So just kind of give you guys an idea of how mobile this can actually be. Come on, Gold, stop playing with us.
I guess you could say there is a slight range at like 68.5-ish. Because that was the top of some candles and the bottom of a few candles as well earlier.
Yeah.
I could definitely see it coming down to like 67.5 at least.
Yeah, so far we've already made a decent bit in the markets, guys. Basically just looking for the icing on the cake at this point. This is all just extra at this point. And if it goes against us, we lose $100. Definitely want to emphasize that because you guys need to have a clear point where you are getting out of the markets. Don't allow a loser to get away from you. Do not allow it to happen.
Because then it gets even harder to want to close. You're down 2, 3, 4, 500. And you're like, damn, I don't want to close this. When you should have closed out at a certain point. It's just a set point. So we've been down 1,000, 2,000 before back in the day when we were not following a lot of these rules. And then we wish we closed at 100 or 200.
All right, got my coffee. Good to go. Let's get my finger on the trigger just in case this decides to break up.
Yeah, it's just above. It's like above the range now. A little bit above that range. Or like on the 5-minute, on the 15, the other range we were trying to hope that it didn't break. But
yeah, one sign of hope is it's holding this 21-day EMA, at least on the higher time frame on the hour. It's definitely broken above on like the 30, now respecting it to the upside. So this could be a sign of some potential bullish momentum, at least in the interim period, but we'll see if this decides to hold. And you can see here on this uptrend here, broke up above, came back down, retested around this 21-day EMA, continued to go up, retested again. Now it's continuing towards the upside. So see what happens here. This is a 1-minute time frame. So we're just doing this to basically scalp, get in and out. But as far as the overall trend, we're definitely switching time frames, as you guys can see. Are you going to turn your camera on?
Kind of broke back in. Oh, yeah. Kind of broke back into this little zone.
Either way, I got my finger on the trigger.
Yep.
Got my finger on that close button. When you're scalping, definitely good to do because either way, we're ready to get out. It is a beautiful day in Baltimore, Maryland. We're looking at a temperature of 72 degrees right now. Highs exceeding up to 86 later in this afternoon. No, I'm just kidding.
I feel like it wants to go down, but obviously that statement right there, guys, is like something when you really feel out a market. We literally watch gold every day for like months now, so kind of understand the zones and stuff. It wants to come down, but could break up to that higher zone. But the worst that happens, we get out at our target risk, or not target risk, but our risk, whatever.
Yeah, like risk target. Yep.
Yeah.
Get our finger back on this trigger.
Gold gave us hope for a second.
That's what the markets will do sometimes, give people false hope.
Yeah.
That's why no matter what happens, got to be willing to get in and get the fuck out. Especially when scalping. Markets are sideways like this, don't hesitate. All right, looks like, yep, we're going to get stopped out here. Maybe. Yeah, I think we're going to get stopped out here potentially.
Making this little range up here now.
Yeah, trading, especially on gold, is not for the weak-hearted by any means. It'll toy with your emotions so much. Like, could have definitely locked this in when it came back down and retested this 21-day EMA. We sold around here. Could have probably locked that in with like a good 120, 130, but it's all good. Yep, and we're stopped out.
The 4-hour literally turned from red to green. Shit.
Yeah.
Let's check out what zones. Yeah, it's kind of in the middle of a zone.
You want to stop the recording for now? So it's not too...
Yeah. Hey guys, yeah, we just did like a trade that was about 270 something. We took like 2 losses before this though. So we're up probably about 200 today right now. We're a little lower than we were, but
Yeah, we sold right around here and wrote it down. Now we're looking forward to possibly retrace back up, respect this range and retrace back up. You can see it's just been sideways continuing today. So it's kind of what we're anticipating. Haven't seen too much of a breakout either way.
hit the bottom of that little range.
Yeah, we got to get out.
Oh my God. It's
got too much. We got to get out. It's got too much momentum. If it drops, it's going to drop.
Oh my.
Close. We're at 100 loss.
I'd say, oh my God. It just spiked up for a second though too, but maybe, yeah, I guess. What the hell?
Oh my gosh, it wouldn't let me fucking close it.
Fuck. All right, let's just fucking stop the recording for the day.
Yeah.